Hello everyone and welcome to the series of Manageengine Vulnerability Manager Plus tool, also called as VMP. So this is the introduction lecture about the tool. So first we will discuss about functionalities, key functionalities of this tool. Firstly, vulnerability assessment. We all know about vulnerability assessment, scanning your system, about misconfigurations, about your outdated software or firmware like zero day, anything. Vulnerability assessment is the first. Second is risk-based prioritization. What is risk-based prioritization? Like if you have any vulnerability and this was scoring by CVSS score, high, low, medium, this is the risk-based prioritization. Then it is come to patch management. What is patches? Patches is like if your system has any outdated software like Adobe or like any software like Evernote or any software you are using, and the software has outdated version, so the tool will manage this and gives you the patch about latest version or latest upgrade about that tool. And next is system configuration and audits, then compliance and reporting. You can generate reports about your vulnerability, your patches, and everything. Like reporting is a very big part. Then zero day exploitation detection. This comes into the key functionalities. Like and now we will discuss about what makes VMP special. What is the specialty? So like my personal favorite specialty is a patch management. What is patch management? You can manage your patches, your vulnerabilities, and can resolve from this tool only. This tool gives you that patch management system. Then second is agent based architecture. The tool provides agent based architecture. What is agent based architecture? Tool will gives you like single file, exe or bat file for Windows, Linux and Mac OS, and you have to download that agent into any system you want to scan or you want to monitor. And then if the system is remote or if the system is not working like offline, you can still manage that system and vulnerabilities. This is agent based architecture. This is the key functionality or specialty of a VMP tool. Now we'll discuss about what is Manage Engine gives you IT and security solutions for organizations. Here is the all solutions Engine provides. And yes, one of the solution is Engine's Vulnerability Manager Plus tool that we are looking forward. And here is the hardware requirements about the tool. If you want to monitor 1 to 250 devices, you need 2 GB RAM and 5 GB hard disk space. I will recommend you this 8 GB RAM and 30 GB hard disk space because this will max less. And here is the OS. What OS is the VMP supports. And yes, this is the basic thing about VMP tool. And yes, you will also provide 30-day free trial about that tool. And yes, conclude the today's lecture. Okay,